Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock apps in Infinix Note 40. So first of all, you guys have to go on settings and then scroll. We have option of password and security. Just click here. After that, as you guys see, we have app lock option. Just click on app lock and then set the password to secure app. Then click on next step. After that, re-enter the password and then click on OK. Just click on skip. As you see, these are your application and switch it on which you want to log and enable those which you want to lock or secure. As you guys see, these three are already enabled by me, and let me enable Chrome file manager, and that's it. So now time to check. This is a file manager. So as you see, it required a password to unlock these application. So that's how we can lock application in Infinix Note 40. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.